Hello children, hope you all are well. Today is our second class of class 6 geography, and the chapter which we were doing is the major landforms of the earth. In the last class we have discussed about the different landforms, the processes involved in its formation, and about the mountain and its types. And today in this class we will discuss about the next landform, that is valleys. As we know that the surface of the earth is uneven, it gives rise to four main types of landforms: mountains, valleys, plateaus and plains. What are valleys? Valleys are elongated low areas lying between hills or mountains. See, this is a valley. It lies between the two hills or mountains. Next is about the types of valleys. There are four main types of valleys: V-shaped valleys, gorge, U-shaped valleys and rift valleys. And we will discuss each type in details. First is the V-shaped valleys. Look this picture. These valleys look like a V, alphabet V. These valleys usually has a river at the bottom. In this picture you can see there is a river flowing at the bottom and it resembles the alphabet V. Thus it is called a V-shaped valleys. Next is gorges. What are gorges? The river valleys which are very deep and steep. They have very steep walls. See, they are called gorges and they resembles the alphabet I. See, they are very steep, straight, very deep. One example is Indus and Brahmaputra formed gorges when they cut across the Himalayas. Look at these pictures, they shape like I, alphabet I. Look at this, there are three gorges. Next valley is U-shaped valleys. They are shaped like alphabet U, and these valleys are carved out by glaciers. They are found in the snow-capped mountains. See, this is the U-shaped valley. Yes, this one. This is a U-shaped valley. They are found in the snow-capped mountains. Next valley is a rift valley. We have discussed about the block mountains and rift valleys in the last class, and the rift valley is the fourth type of valley. It is formed during the process of faulting. The earth crust breaks down into several blocks and some blocks are uplifted. Look here, some blocks are uplifted and some are subsided. Okay, and this subsided portions form valley. They are called rift valley. Here also the uplifted part are called the block mountains and the subsided parts are called rift valleys. The force, this from two sides, this forces are working, pulling each forces. The uplifted blocks are called block mountains and the subsided blocks are called rift valley. Examples are African rift valley and Rhine rift valley. We have discussed this in the last topic also when we discussed about the mountains. Here also this is a block mountain and this valley is a rift valley. Now about the importance of valleys. How valleys play a very important role in our life. River valleys are suitable for agriculture as they are very flat and fertile. The soil is very fertile, it has lots of water supply, so it is good for agriculture. The vast meadows on the valleys are used for animal grazing. Look here. Yes, in the valleys the animals can be grazed because of the vast meadows. And the glaciated valleys attracts a lot of tourists. Last, the rift valleys have waterfalls that can be used for producing hydroelectricity. This much for today. We will discuss the next landform in next class. Thank you.